Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be taking a close look at Nike's Waffle Boy, the Waffle Racer shoe. Now at the time of recording, Nike actually does not sell the Waffle Racer. Nike's pretty on and off with the shoe. They have releases here and there, although they do use the waffle tread design pattern a lot still on other models. This specific shoe is the Nike Waffle Racer in the obsidian and chrome yellow colorway, and at the time of release, which was back in 2019, they retailed for $85. So let's get into some of the details of the shoe. Starting with the upper, it looks like the upper is made of mostly a nylon-like material with leather and suede overlays. We have a nice lightweight foam tongue with the Nike branding and some foam exposure at the top. At the side we have that big bold Nike swoosh. Lastly, at the rear we have another bold Nike sign on a leather tab. So a pretty simplistic upper. I mean, this shoe was released back in the 70s, so that's to be expected. Moving on to the midsole and outsole. The midsole is made out of an EVA foam. The midsole is pretty thin, but it's responsive. It's not too firm, it's not too soft. Now for the main feature of the shoe, that Belgian waffle outsole. Delicious. It covers the entirety of the bottom of the shoe, and what I found a bit odd was at the heel, the waffle pattern looks a little wonky. Looks like a messed up waffle. Nike, get your waffle straight, yo. For real though, it's probably for extra traction, but it looks ugly and it probably could have been done in a different way. Anyways, the shoe also has the waffle pattern kind of rolled up on the sides at the front. It gives it a very unique look. Fun fact, if you look at the shoe from above, it looks exactly like Kodak Black when he was a XXL freshman. The resemblance is uncanny. Lastly, the shoe also does feature a glued down EVA insole. This is actually not the original Waffle Boy from Nike. That honor goes to the Waffle Trainer that was released in 1973. It was created by Bill Bowerman, and he was one of the original godfathers of Nike, a co-founder, and he also created the Nike Cortez. Legend has it that Billy Boy was sitting down, eating breakfast, thinking of a shoe solution that would work on many different surfaces, when the delicious waffles came out and he had an epiphany. He then immediately went to his lab and started experimenting with a waffle iron. What came out of his experimentation was the Waffle Trainer in 1973. And then in 1977, the Waffle Racer was released, which was a redesigned shoe that used the same waffle pattern. So that's the story of the original Waffle Gang. Now there's really only one question left to ask. Why the heck, in all of these years of this shoe being out, hasn't there been a Lego My Eggo collab with this shoe?
Hey, Lego My Eggo!
I can almost taste
it. Makes so much sense. Waffle outsole, waffle collab. With one of, if not the most popular names in mass-produced, processed, frozen, ready-to-eat waffles. Kellogg's Eggo. Well, you guys are in luck. Your boy has created some mock-ups. Introducing, BAM! The Eggo Waffle Racer. Next time someone doesn't want to Lego your Eggo, cleat them in the face with these bad boys. Look at that delicious waffle colored outsole. Nike, make this happen. Please make this happen, or else I don't know. I have no power. I don't know where I was going with that. But seriously, it would be a really cool collab. On feet, the Waffle Racer fits true to size and it's surprisingly comfortable. I thought the shoe would lack some comfort just because of that thin midsole, but it's responsive and it works well with the outsole. The waffle tread actually helps out quite a bit with some shock absorption and impact dampening. The upper is also comfortable on the toes. I like the simplistic design of these shoes, and I would definitely recommend these if you like retro styled shoes. They look kind of like cleats, and they even have that sleek cleat-like silhouette. Well, that's going to be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you did. I got more content coming your way, so turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Every time I put these shoes on, I look down and all I see is Kodak.